For today's video, we are bound to the famous island in Cadiz City.
Hello everyone! Knifish Island.
We will be celebrating 𝐍𝐿𝐴's birthday and also explore the island. It's only an hour drive and a half to experience the biggest floating bar in Asia, but sadly it is not available during our trip since it's under construction due to typhoon. Once you arrive at the port, you just need to pay the fee. That already includes the boat ride from the port to island round trip, designated cottages, entrance fee, and corkages. There are also pedicabs here if you don't want to walk from the reception to the port. Much better if you bring your own baon going to the island since there is no corkage naman, and the prices in the resto are a little bit pricey. We were a little bit worried when we went here since it's raining on our way, but luckily the sun is getting up. Please take note that there is a schedule for the boat trip going to the island, but if you missed it, you can just take the private one for a higher price. We didn't expect that they have many guests on a weekday. It will take 20 minutes from the port going to the island, so if you have motion sickness, much better to drink your medicines. Finally, we're almost there. So after the boat ride, we are going to walk on this long bridge going to the other side. Look at that view. We are waiting for you, Mr. Sun.
Hey buddies, Jaromsz here. So for today's video,
We are now here in Lakawon.
So before we explore the island, we need to eat our lunch first. Cameras are getting ready for photo ops and videos.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, our Papa.
blow na blow.
So it's now time to explore the island. So as you can see, medyo tagilid po yung mga cottages. That's because of the typhoon. Lakawon Island also offer activities like banana boating, kayaking, and snorkeling. Since the 𝐍𝐻𝐼 floating bar is not available, you can also try these activities aside from swimming. You can also play beach volleyball here. Lakawon also offers overnight accommodation, so aside from day tour, you can also stay here for a night or two. Let's check the back part of the island. Most of the guests ay hindi naman pumupunta dito. We just went here to check kung anong meron po. So ayan, dagat pa rin. Wala nga lang naliligo kasi maraming lumot. So now let's go back to our cottage to get ready for some activities and change outfits. We tried snorkeling and madali lang makahanap ng isda kahit sa malapit. Snorkeling gears are available for rent, but if you have your own, much better to bring it. Satisfied, yarn? The place is 100% Instagram worthy, even the bottom part of this bridge. We also rent their inflatables for photo ops. Struggle is real. You can also try this crystal kayak the same in Boracay. Hoy, uwian na! Before we went home, I want to show to you their sunset bar where you can drink and chill. And also don't forget to take a photo on their famous Lakawon signage.
So that's it for today. See you our next destination, buddies.